Welcome back. Let's have a look at free Litecoin. A dice game and multiplier faucet. Sign up with your Faucet Pay or C-Wallet email. Once you log in, your dashboard will be at the top. Here you have multiply, blackjack, lottery, and dice. Your deposit and withdraw is up here as well. Now click Home on your dashboard. Scroll down and solve the CAPTCHA text. You will be rewarded some tokens. You can use these tokens to play the games on your dashboard. Now go to Multiply. Set your win percentage to 90% and bet your max amount twice. When you have accumulated enough tokens, you can withdraw to your C-Wallet or Faucet Pay Litecoin address. As you can see, all my withdrawals were sent directly to my Litecoin address. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.